I'm here with Barry Parshall from WebTrends. He is the VP of Product Strategy. Barry, thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
Sure.
There are a lot of people who could not attend WebTrends conference this year because of the way economy is and they're not going to conferences. What are the key things that you want to tell these people who could not attend, or people who are using competitors' products? Key things to take away from this conference?
Sure. I think the biggest thing in my mind is just the entire new attitude that WebTrends has towards the market and towards its customers. We know today that as owners of brands and products and services, we have less and less control over our own brand identity. Mm-hmm. Before you would do commercials or print ads and so forth, and you had a large effect on how your identity was perceived by the marketplace. But today, in this world of social media, people are talking about your products and services on blog sites, through Twitter, through Facebook, and so forth, and you have less and less control over what people are saying, of course, about your products and services. And in this world, where everybody's referencing each other about your products, the only thing you can do, really, as a provider of products and services, is provide the best possible experience with your consumer. And then social media works, for you.
Yeah.
And so if you kind of point that analysis at ourselves, at WebTrends, we recognize that the most vital thing that we can do as an organization is provide the best possible experience for our customers. And that will manifest itself not just in the product and the user interface and usability, but in the way we work with our customers, and the way we engage, our services, our support, the ability for you to answer blogs from Alex and from Yasha and from myself and so forth, to constantly talking with individuals at WebTrends, and that kind of lends into that whole notion of open exchange that you've been hearing so much about from WebTrends. It's not just a bunch of technologies, which I'll talk about in a second. It's a philosophy that we want our customers and our prospects and the market to engage with us interactively about what we can do better, about how we can address your needs as an organization. And then, of course, from a technology standpoint, it's all about opening up the data so that organizations can take the information from WebTrends, integrate it into corporate warehouses, integrate it into the corporate dashboards, perform original analytical processes against that data to glean insight that is proprietary to your organization. And fundamentally going beyond the realm of in-the-box reports that we provide and moving into richer forms of analysis to really...
Getting the complete picture rather than just isolated picture. Yep.
Which is why we have partners like Teradata and Covario and serious analytical organizations who understand the needs of enterprise marketing firms.
Great. Yeah, I mean, that's the same thing that I've been working with my clients, actually. That's how I started my career, is bringing all these different data points together. Right. So it's nice to see WebTrends moving in that direction, so I'm pretty excited about that. What do you see the impact on the overall industry, with these announcements? What's your take?
Well, I mean, my take is that the industry as a whole is still struggling with a lot of the basics. Not just around web analytics, but digital marketing as a whole. I mean, just take testing, for instance. We hear about testing tools like Optimos. Woven is here talking about their technology, and they have a great product. But fundamentally, organizations are still struggling with the entire data-driven decision-making concept. Somebody's being threatened by that who used to make intuitive decisions, and so a big part, I think, that the industry is moving, and what we're trying to do at WebTrends is help them evolve their organizations into this new data-driven decision-making world, if you will, and not just the technology aspect of it. So it's more of a holistic problem, and that's where we really see adding value to the industry nowadays at WebTrends.
Great. I'm really excited about where WebTrends is going, and I wish you good luck and to the whole WebTrends team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.